Okay, let me tell you why Meta lead quality actually sucks right now, and 3 fixes that actually work to help flip it around. What's up, peeps? My name's Travis. Travis here. If you've been running Meta ads as of late, you've probably noticed one really frustrating trend. Lead quality has sucked, or you have some bot traffic. I'm hearing it from clients, agency owners, consultants, everybody. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through 3 things we're doing for clients right now that instantly improves lead quality, even with the Andromeda update changing how targeting works behind the scenes. Let's dive in. First thing you can do is increase friction. This sounds counterintuitive, but it works. Most people try to reduce friction in their funnels, like short forms, easy opt-ins, fewer questions. Here's the problem. The easier it is to submit a lead form, the lower quality your leads become. So the first thing we do is actually add friction. That means more targeted qualifying questions. Asking intent-based questions like income, their location or goals, how fast they want to move, and removing low quality multiple choice options. Adding short answers instead of all drop down. A lead that takes 15 to 20 seconds longer to fill out your form is usually far more serious buyer. When we made this change for one client, lead quality jumped immediately without touching the ads. So if you're struggling right now, just start with the form. It's the fastest fix you can do without touching your ads. The second reason lead quality is tanking is weak ad messaging. Most ads today look identical. Work with me, get more clients, unlock your potential. Generic messaging attracts generic leads, right? So instead, your ad copy and your landing page need to do 2 things instead. The first is to call out the specific person you want. Not coaches or business owners, but relationship coaches who sell high ticket, or estate planning lawyers, or agency owners doing 1 mil plus a year. When you call out the right avatar, the wrong people self-eliminate. The second thing you need to do is make the offer intensely specific, like specific outcome, the specific timeline, and specific mechanism. Your messaging should instantly filter people who are a bad fit. When we tightened ad messaging for clients, lead quality jumped up because the ad itself did half the qualifying before they even clicked. The third thing is higher intent targeting. Now, this is where things get interesting, especially with the Andromeda update. Everyone thinks broad targeting is the only way working right now. And yes, broad is a great way when your creative is dialed in. But some of the best audiences we're using right now, lookalikes built on high value customer lists that you can integrate with your CRM, things like that, as well as using third-party enriched audiences like using Primer is one example, and engage remarketing layers. Why? Because they come from high-intent behavior, not just Meta's guesswork. With Andromeda shifting everything to creative-driven targeting, having proper lookalikes and enriched lists gives you a second layer of filtering that broad alone can't match. So yes, broad works, but also higher intent targeting still beats it in many industries and in many cases. But there's pros and cons to each, right? And a bonus, if you want me to fix your lead quality, and if you want me to take a look at your ads themselves and tell you exactly where the lead quality is breaking down, book a call with me using the link in the description of this video. I'll be sure to audit your funnel, your ads, your messaging, and tell you which part is costing you good leads. So if this video helped at all, go ahead and hit subscribe and that bell notification below. I've got more stuff coming, especially on Andromeda, targeting shifts, funnel breakdowns, and everything Meta isn't telling advertisers. See you in the next one. Best of luck.